Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome to HMI Automation. I'm Engineer Faisal Patel and this is my first ever video regarding the automation. Uh, Today I am going to introduce DOPSoft with my channel, that how you can program Delta HMI using the DOPSoft. This is the sample program I have made for Yalmik machine. These are the washing machines which we use in the industries of denim. I am also using this program in 2 to 3 different industries in Karachi. That's why I'm showing you it here. This is the basically recipe based programming in which you can select steps and different. I am not going to share you everything here. I'm just going to share how it's working. So let's have a look on it. We are going to simulate it. This is the main screen, and when you will click on the screen, the HMI will be start, and there are different options. These are the options which we have put same as the original HMI. It's automatic functionally. Here you can put the steps. There are 40 steps which can be added, and these are possible with the help of recipes. You can select steps from here and also from here: heat, working, water, dosage, unload, and pre-rinsing, which is also known as hydro. And you can save this here by the name of your own choice, and when you will save it, it will be gone in the memory. My RAM is low, that's why it's taking time in saving. Now you can load it from here. When you will load, the steps will become here, and you can go in the main and will start up the step. You will start, it's all start running. Currently it's not working because the hardware is not connected. Temperature will be shown there, and it's the set point. You can choose to retain your temperature as well. This is the water volume set point, and it is the present value. It's basket RPM set point, and its current value. This is the working time set point and its current value, and current step time is this, and step number is this. You can control drain with rotation. Means if you are draining the water, so you can select whether the drum will be rotated with it or not, and it's the value of time in second. You can select 30 to 140 second drain time. Thank you. Furthermore, you can go to the menu and go to the recipe to make recipes and save. You can also clear it from here. You can go to the main menu. It's manual working. It will show water present value here, temperature present value here, working RPM here, and work time here. You can select step numbers from 1 to 6. These are the 6 steps. These are same as the company made software. You can select different conditions here. Then you can start. It will work when the hardware will connect it. Now its total works total work time, total present time, and total water. You can reset the counter from here, and its alarm, everything alarming will be shown here. These are the settings. It's password protected. You can set parameters here, and furthermore, this is the door open. The front door of the machine will be open from here and closed from here. When you will press the empty goods, the machine will tilt and put off every goods inside it. These are the horizontal working, and it's the transfer. Basically, this option is using the hydraulic jack to tilting the machine. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this, and further if you require anything you want to understand and learn regarding the Delta HMI, you can comment here. Thank you.